to Slime Squad! So, it's me, Lorena, and today I'm going to be showing you my brand new slime. It's this. It's kind of like a metallic, kind of copper looking thing to it. There you go. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you this slime. Because like, I might give it away, or I might make... So, what I'm going to do is, I want to do something for you guys. So, I want you guys, because I haven't got a name for this slime yet, I want you guys to comment down below what I should name this slime, and I'm going to choose the best one to give it away to you. The best one to name, not give away. But you might, if you do name it, you might have a chance to get it, because I have a giveaway. And the giveaway is basically, I was meant to give away a slime that I got, but I can't find it. And nails, I don't have any on yet. I don't have any on. And nails, as well. And I'm gonna give away this slime, potentially, but I'm probably gonna keep this one and make another one that is exactly like it. So yeah, like, it doesn't really smell. It isn't scented, so if you do receive it, or if I do it, it probably won't be scented. So I'm actually going to extend my giveaway a little bit further on, because I did have it on Saturday, for the 14th of May. Not May, sorry. For the 14th of April. And I'm just going to get up a calendar and check when I should do it. So I was going to announce it on the 14th, which is in a week away, basically. But I'm going to extend it to the 28th. So that will give you... So that means you are going to have 4 more weeks to be entered into this giveaway. All you need to do to potentially receive this slime is like all my videos that I do, that I post. Subscribe and turn post notifications on. And last but not least, you need to comment down below on my videos, on my most recent video. Every time I post a video, my most recent video, hashtag giveaway, and hashtag slime or nails, because that will mean that I won't give you nails if you wanted the slime and not the nails, and I won't give you nails and I won't give you slime if you wanted the nails. That way I'll have an understanding, and now I'll get to have two lucky winners. And as I said, that will be announced on the 28th of April. I need to write that in my calendar so you all know. Sorry. Okay, guys, I think that is the end of this little talk. So yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe. Do all of them things, please. Beg you, please. And let's try and get this video to 100 likes. Like, come on, please, guys. Come on. Show me some respect. Show me some love. I did also make a vlog, a little vlog, but that's probably gonna take a bit longer to post because it's like 13 minutes long. 13, not 30, before you get all startled. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys all later. Love you guys so much. Bye.